The highly infectious Delta variant and a growing number of breakthrough COVID-19 cases in vaccinated people. That is our top story for you tonight. Genesis Health says a third of their COVID patients in the hospital are vaccinated. Now, these cases are happening across the Quad Cities. For the vaccinated, the symptoms are less severe and the result is less people in the hospital. Local 4's Sarah Krug joining us live in our newsroom with more on this story tonight. Sarah?
Yes, Ann. While masking, socially distancing, and symptom monitoring are still helpful in fighting the virus, according to local medical experts, they do still recommend the vaccine as the strongest form of protection against COVID and its variants. Those considered breakthrough cases still exhibit less severe symptoms, which health professionals say show that the vaccine is still effective. Vaccinated individuals have been told the shot will keep them safe from COVID-19. However, full protection isn't guaranteed.
It's not a impenetrable barrier.
But it's still a barrier.
It's much more likely that you will not end up in the hospital or dying from COVID-19 if you're fully vaccinated.
Which health professionals say means the vaccine is still doing its job, saving lives.
The vaccine is protective. It's still the best way to prevent symptomatic infection and to prevent hospitalization and death.
The cases that have patients on ventilators, gasping for their final breath, still mainly happen in those who are unvaccinated.
It's a little bit similar to what we see with flu vaccinations. The majority of healthy people who are vaccinated from flu will have a mild case or no case at all.
These breakthrough cases haven't halted vaccination efforts in the Quad Cities. A spokesperson from the Whiteside County Health Department explains how more people getting vaccinated could protect the community from future strands of the virus.
One of the reasons that we do see different strains coming up with the virus is because there's still a lot of people that are not protected.
If the vaccinated aren't experiencing major symptoms, people may wonder why these breakthrough cases are so alarming.
The concern is that, the large number of individuals who are not vaccinated, and so that's where we're going to start seeing the variant come from. That's where we're going to see the potential for people that are going to get really sick, hospitalized, and death.
Society may not have a comprehensive means of stopping the Delta variant's spread, but it does have one more tool than it did last year in limiting casualties of COVID-19.
If we look at where we've been and where we are now, I think we've made some progress and certainly have learned a lot about the virus.
Both the Rock Island and Whiteside County Health Departments will continue their free vaccination clinics. We have more information on these sites and qualification for the COVID booster vaccine at ourquadcities.com. In the newsroom, Sarah Krug, Local 4 News.
Sarah, thank you for the update. A Davenport apartment complex now